So girls, please turn to page number lesson 5.7. That is write zeros in the dividend. Again, turn to page number 200.
300.
It's 300. 331. Please turn to page 331. We will continue our lesson. So, Bismillah. You remember, this is something very different. We are putting zeros and zeros at the end. Always. First, we are checking the denominator is okay. It's the whole number. And then we just put,
Miss, page what?
Page 300. What did I say, girls? Page
331.
331. Are you all ready?
Miss, will this be in the final test?
No, girls. In fact, the whole chapter 5 is not there in your final test.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, it's simple here. What did I teach you? I told you to just put a 0. Remember? 4 times 8 is 32. I put a 0. 6 comes down. 4 times 1 is 4. I have 2 and I have 4 times 5 equals.
Miss, page what?
Can you see here, page 331? Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Point before figures. Because I already put 32 here, the point has to be just above here. Now, 1.2 and 9. I'll just put a 0. But to remove the 0, first let me multiply. I'm sorry. I did not see the dividend must not have, the divisor must not have a point. I told you when I divide 1.2, I don't like this into the denominator. What should I multiply with to remove this?
10.
10, very good. I will multiply 10 in both. So I get 90 over 120. So let us do 90 and 120. Of course, I need to put, 90 over 12, sorry. Because the point just moves to 1. The point only moves here, so this becomes 12. So when I do 90 and 12, let me do 12 times 8. 96, that becomes big. So 12 times 7 is 12 times 7 is 84. Don't forget to put a point and a 0. So 84, 6. So it's 12 times 5, 60, and then you get an answer. You got 7.5. Here, I just put a point and a 0. 15. 15 times 3, 45. This becomes big. I need to try 15 points to
30.
30. So let me take 30. I have 120 now.
Wow.
So it's a big number. Let me try 15 times 9. 135. It's a big number. So 15 times 8.
8.
120. I got exact. So my answer is 2.8. I need to remove the
Fine.
what should I multiply with?
Yes, so basically, we just raise the number.
Yeah, why did I multiply with 100? Because I have 2-digit numbers here. So it
Yes.
two place values. So it will be 91 over 14. But don't forget, we are putting 91.0 and 14. So they said 14 times 6. 84. Sorry, it's 7, I guess. It's 7. It's 7. And 0 comes down. It's 14 times 5. 70. I got exactly 70. Anyone who did not get it? Are you all right?
Yes, it's just like basically we multiply the number, like the number here, 4 with like those numbers here up, and then we have to get the sum lower than the
Yes, same way how you do the division. Same way, my dear, how do you do the division? Only thing is I took care that this 14 in the denominator, I don't like this point in the denominator. To kick this point out, what should I do? I should multiply with 100 or 10. Why did I choose 100 here? After point, you see two decimals, two decimal numbers. So that's why I took 2 zeros. If it was, suppose it was 0 0.6 and 0 0.5. I don't like this. I will multiply with 10. Why with 10? Because when I multiply with 10, your decimal moves one place. When I multiply with 100, the decimal moves two place. So accordingly, see the denominator and multiply with that 10 or 100 or 1,000. Okay? Got it, girls, or still you do not understand?
Okay.
Okay, got it. Anyone who has a question?
Mister, I didn't really understand.
Which question?
Number 8.
Okay, I'll explain you again. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. I will erase this again and explain once again. Number 8. Or better I explain on the white screen. When you see something big and not jumbled up like this, you understand more better. Just tell me the question when I go to white screen, okay? 0 0.91 and 0.14. 1 second. Okay. It is 0 0.91 and 0 0.14. Now, I don't like this point. What should I do? I will multiply with 100 and divide with 100, both in the numerator divider. This way, the point moves. And now I don't have anything in the denominator. I write 91 here. What is the lesson name? Put 0 in the dividend. I put 0 in the dividend. Now I continue my normal division. 14 times, what did we took before? What was the answer, girls? 14 times.
The answer is 6.5.
Yeah, so I took 14 and 6. 84. I have 7 and 0. That is 14 times 5 is 70. Now you understood?
Yeah.
I'm not sure that I might be able to do all of them. So you need to complete the rest. I'll just make the columns and tell me, girls, what is it? Tell me the questions, okay?
Okay. Miss, do we do it in our notebook?
Better, of course, where will you don't have space here.
Okay.
Do you have space there? 20 divided by, question number 9. 20 divided by 1.6. This is the question, right? What is the 11th one?
0.54 divided 2.43. Miss, no, it's the other way.
All right. So you will first read this. Okay. Anyways, I need to remove the point from always, right? From the denominator. What is it? What should I multiply with? See here. I wanted to remove this decimal point from the dividend. Here is the dividend. Divisor, sorry. Here is the divisor. This is the denominator. I never want a point on in the denominator. I remove the point. The point shifts to the right one place when I multiply with 10. I get 200 over 16, but that I have to add point and 0. So let us continue. 16 times what? 16 times 1 is 16. I have 4 and I have 0. 16 times 5, let us see. No, it's big number. 16 times 3. I think 16 times 3 is 48. Again, that's a big number. What should I take? 16 times 2, 32. I have. Now let us try 16 times 80. So 16 times 5, 16 times 5 gives me 80. Any doubt in this question? Wow, this is already without point. There is no need to think about it. Just put a 0 here. That's it. 15 times. Please, girls, this is your question. This is your answer. 15 times 3 is 45. 15, yeah. 15 times 3 is 45. And 15 times 2 is 30. Where should I put a point? Of course, before here. My answer is 0.32. Coming to here, okay, we got a question now where we need to multiply. What should I multiply with? I have 2 places, means
100.
But when it moves, you need to put a 0, right? 230 over 54. Okay, let me divide. 230, 54. But you know that I need to put a 0 here. Let me take the space. I cannot take 54 times 1. Let me take 54 times 9. Or 54 times 5. It's big. 54 times 4. Okay, 54 times 4 is 216. And then I have 4, 14, 140. Put a point here and try with 248. So 54 times 2 gives me 108. That is 32. My answer is almost like 4.2. You all are bored. You're not talking to me. Or busy writing. Yes, girls, are you all writing?
Yeah. Yes.
Let's come back in a moment. If you're finished, I will clear. Finished, girls, or not yet?
Yeah.
Okay, question number 12. Tell me question number 12.
2, 8, and then 9, 8.
28 and
2, 8.
don't have any points?
Yeah, no point.
Really?
Yeah, no point.
Just this way? 98 and 28 this way?
Yes.
Just take a point and put a 0. So that is 228.
Miss, can I do this one?
Tell me, try with 4.
4 multiplied by 28 equals 8. This one.
No, it's a big number. Try with 28 and 3.
And then 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6.
I can take
How
this.
8? Oh, because 2 is here.
Sorry. So it's like 3 and 84, right?
Yes.
Come on.
And then we minus that.
Right? Tell me, let us try with 5. Let us try with 5.
Yeah.
I got exactly 140. The point here.
And then we minus that equals 0. So we don't have
My
any
answer is
remainder.
3.5. Next, let's do the other question. Okay. Tell me, question number
13 is 1.8 divided by 1, 2.
Is it this?
Yeah.
So I don't like the point. What should I multiply with?
10.
Very good. But I don't leave it like that. Sorry, it's not 180, it's 18. And then Come on, girls. 18 times, let me try with 5. Let me try. A moment, girls, please.
Okay. Okay. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. The miss is still here if you didn't know. Yeah.
Yes, what we were trying with, we tried with the 5. Let us try with 6. I got 108. Okay,
It's bit.
let's take 108, right? So,
Miss, I thought we were doing this question.
which one?
Question number 13.
Yes, we are doing question 13, yes. We are doing question 13.
Okay.
18 and 6. I get again 120. Am I sure? 18 times 6, because 18 times 7 goes big. I get 126. That's why I take 108. So I put a 0 down here, and again I put a point, and again a 6, and 108. 12 is remaining. So your answer is 6.6, girls.
Okay.
Tell me question number 14.
3.5 divided by 2.5.
When you read this, if you want to say the correct way, you cannot say, first say the dividend. What is inside? What is inside?
It's not like this, what you're like.
Okay.
It's
Question?
14.
0.5 divided by?
2.5.
So that means this question went wrong. 13. 3.5. Just put a cross mark, girls. You will do by your own. It has to be 3.5 divided by 2.5.
2.5.
In the other question, 12 has to be inside, girls, because I did not hear you all properly. All right.
Okay.
Put a cross to 13 and do again, okay? Here, I need to remove the point. Multiply by 10 and multiply by 10. So I get 5 is the opposite. 3.5 and 2.5 multiply by 10 and multiply by 10. So I get 25 and I got a point and a 0. So now 25 times 1 is 25. I get 10 and 125 times 4 is 100. I get 0. My answer is 1.4. The rest you are solving in your copybook, girls, by your own. Okay? All right, girls?
All right. Okay.
You are copying in your, you're doing in your solving in your copybook by your own, on your own. So even all this is on your own, but I'm helping you with it. So
Okay.
take care. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Love you, girls. Wait a second. I want to write something. Waiting for your project. Please
Okay, Miss, I'll send it
give
to
me
you.
all 10 marks.
Miss, I sent it to you.
Take care.
Miss, I'll do it today and send it to you.
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Tyler, stop it.
All right.
Who eats chocolates now?
Take care, take care. I'll end the meeting, okay?
Okay, bye.
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 Bye bye.
Bye.
Nice day, girls.